In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a transaction in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing your personal finances or keeping track of multiple business expenses, being able to split transactions accurately is crucial for maintaining clean financial records. So, let's dive right in and make sure your accounts reflect exactly what you need them to. First, once you're logged into your QuickBooks Online account, you'll notice the left panel with various options. Go ahead and click on Transactions. This is your starting point. You'll find a comprehensive list of all financial activities that have been recorded. Now, it's important to identify the specific account where the transaction that you need to split is located. This could be a bank account, a credit card account, or any other account that holds the transaction in question. When you're in the correct account, take a good look at the list of transactions displayed. Scroll through until you find that particular transaction you need to split. Click on it, and this will bring up the transaction details in the editing panel on the right side. It's time to make some further edits. At the bottom of this editing panel, you'll see an option labeled Split. Click on that, and a new window will appear. This feature is where all the magic happens. The split window allows you to divide the transaction amount into different categories, depending on your needs. For instance, if you've made a purchase where part of the expense is for office supplies and the rest is for travel, you can allocate the respective amounts accordingly. Now, you can add as many lines of split as you require. Just keep entering the different categories and amounts until the entire transaction is suitably divided. Make sure to double-check each line to confirm that everything is allocated correctly. This helps ensure the accuracy of your records. Once you're satisfied with the way you've divvied up the transaction, look for the option to Apply and Accept. Click this, and QuickBooks will automatically update and reflect these changes in your accounts. At this point, your task is complete. And there you go. Splitting a transaction in QuickBooks Online can be incredibly easy when you know what steps to follow. By taking these actions, you not only keep your finances organized, but also gain a clearer understanding of your spending habits and business expenses. Thank you for joining me in this short walkthrough of splitting transactions. If you found this helpful, take a moment to like and subscribe for more tips on managing your finances with QuickBooks. See you in the next video.